Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to find HCF of any two numbers by prime factorization method. Let's understand this step by step with the help of examples. Let's find out the HCF of 80 and 100. First, let's find out the prime factors of 80. Now we think of the prime number by which 80 can be divided. 80 is even so it can be divided by 2. Start dividing 80 by the smallest prime number, 2. 80 divided by 2 is 40. Now divide 40 by 2 again. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 is also divisible by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now 5 is a prime number, so divide it by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So the prime factorization of 80 is 2x, 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 5. Now find out the prime factors of 100. Start with 100. Divide by the smallest prime, 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 50 is an even number. Divide by 2 again. 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now 25 is not divisible by 2 or 3, so use the next prime number 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now 5 is a prime number, so divide it by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So, the prime factors of 80 is 2x2, x2, x2, x5, and the prime factors of 100 is 2x2, x5, x5. Circle all the common factors. Here common factors are 2, 2, and 5. Now we can write common factors as 2x2, x5. To get the final result, multiply all the common prime factors. So, 2x2 is 4, and 4x5 is equal to 20. So, the highest common factor, HCF of 80 and 100, is 20. Look at one more example. Now let's find out the HCF of 165 and 220. First, find out the prime factors of 165. 165 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number, so we take 3. 165 divided by 3 gives us 55. 55 is divisible by 5, giving us 11. And 11 is a prime number, so 11 divided by 11 is 1. Now find out the prime factors of 220. 220 is even so it is divisible by 2. 220 divided by 2 giving us 110. 110 divided by 2 is 55. 55 divided by 5 is 11, and 11 divided by 11 is 1. So, the prime factors of 165 is 3x, 5x, 11, and the prime factors of 220 is 2x, 2x, 5x, 11. Circle all the common factors. Here common factors are 5 and 11. Now we can write common factors as 5x, 11. Multiply all the common prime factors. So, 5x11 is equal to 55. So, the highest common factor, HCF of 165 and 220, is 55. That's how you find the highest common factor using the prime factorization method. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.